Here comes to the elevator at Dillard's at Belden Village Mall in Canton, Ohio. Got a Haughton here. Let's go up to 2. Door close button don't work. Alright, here we go. This thing is incredibly slow. Here we are at 2. All right, let's go down to 1. Let's get a cab view. Really nice cab. Here's your Haughton fixtures. Here's your 88 phone. Here we are at 1. Let's go for another ride. All right, let's listen to the motor. This is definitely the slowest elevator I ever ridden. Here we are at 2. All right, let's go down to 1. All right, here we go. Same runs decent, it's just very slow. It's not bad for a Dillard's. Here we are at 1, and we're going to go ahead and get off. Watch it close.